In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in the Pop Mart app. Currently, adding a payment method in the Pop Mart app is a simple process, but it can look slightly different depending on whether you're using iPhone or Android. After installing or updating the app to the latest version, open it and log into your Pop Mart account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon or the Me section. Then look for the payment methods or wallet option in settings. Pop Mart is not available in my country, so I don't have the option, which you should see in here. Here, you'll find the option to add a new payment method. The app supports a range of choices, including debit and credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, and sometimes American Express, mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and in certain regions, Alipay or WeChat Pay. Simply select your preferred method, enter the required details such as card number or wallet credentials, and save. A useful tip is to make sure your Pop Mart app region is set correctly in your account settings, because available payment methods can differ depending on your country. For example, Apple Pay may not appear unless you're on iPhone in a supported region, while Alipay and WeChat Pay are mostly enabled in Asian markets. If you run into errors when adding your card, double check that the billing address matches exactly with your bank records. Once the payment method is added, you can set it as your default option to make checkout smoother when buying collectibles or blind boxes. If you use multiple cards or wallets, it's smart to keep at least 2 active methods saved so you always have a backup in case one fails. Updating your payment method regularly, especially when cards expire, will also help avoid issues during checkout events like limited edition drops where speed matters. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.